If you're wondering about the different icons on the brewing dial of your Nespresso Expert coffee machine, let me just talk you through them. So we can turn clockwise and anti-clockwise and you can see they will light up. This one here is a Ristretto and this will only be 25 millilitres of coffee. This one here is an Espresso and that will be 40 millilitres. Up top we've got the Lungo and that's going to be 110 millilitres. This one here is going to be the Americano. That will be 25 millilitres of coffee, but 125 millilitres of hot water. And lastly, this is just hot water, 200 millilitres. So it's quite interesting when you're looking at it. Basically, if you're on the water one or the Americano one, it's going to be coming out of the right-hand side. And then all of the other ones, they're going to be coming out of the left-hand side because the coffee comes out of here and the water comes out of here. So when you're on Americano, some of the coffee will come out here and then lots of hot water out of this side here. So that's what your brewing dial does on your Nespresso Expert machine. Thanks for watching.